ice cream ball, right? And they put dough around it and they deep fry it. And then you get deep fried Oreos and you put the fried ice cream on the fried Oreos. Heaven. I can't wait.
Yo, what's good, guys? It's Labor Day weekend and I'm headed to Wildwood, New Jersey with the family. It's my first time going down there and it's only a quick 3-hour ride from New York City. So we arrived, it's all cloudy. I'm gonna push the clouds away. I'm good at that though. Positive thinking. It's a little sunny outside. Can I just jump in the pool for a little bit?
Those kids out here calling me out. They must not know who I am, bro.
You say you soft, cuz.
So I'm gonna have to go in there right now and teach these subs to get those up, man.
My cousin Will's always playing around in the water and trying to RKO someone. Still hasn't got me. When the sun went down, we went right to the boardwalk. Just got to the boardwalk, about to get the kids on some of the rides.
Try that, literally throwing your money away. Check it out, I'm nice. Right? What'd you need? Maybe the second one. That's how you gotta try.
This one right here? This one? This is my wish.
My wish.
My wish.
My wish.
All right, here.
Oh! Hey! Grandpops is an OG.
Golden State.
Nah, get the Sixers ball, man. Y'all wildin'. My cousin keeps talking about all this cookies and fried stuff. Tell me about it.
This is the best spot, hands down, on the boardwalk in Wildwood.
Okay.
They got fried Oreos, they got fried Twinkies.
Okay.
They got fried Kit Kats.
Okay.
They got fried ice cream.
Kit Kats?
They got fried pickles, man. They got anything you want here. Everything fried, delicious. Check this place out.
What flavors of fried ice cream are there? So, only fried vanilla ice cream. I like chocolate, but I'm gonna try it.
The best $13.25 you can spend on the boardwalk.
What you think? My first time having fried ice cream. It's interesting. It's like, it feels like I'm eating coconut flakes with vanilla flavor. The texture's interesting. But I'm digging it. Let me see what this Oreo like what it is about. Mash it up.
You want to
You gotta come in close, look. You gotta mash it up, boom.
Shit gonna get dirty.
Oh shit. This is some savage shit right here. Big flow.
That thing right there. You're welcome. You guys are welcome. Hit the plate, babe.
It's the perfect bite. I'm digging it. Oh, that's an awesome snack, yo. So we woke up, we got some breakfast getting made. Look at these guys going in on their 80s dance moves. The kids is, on that Fortnite.
Y'all know about this right here.
Let's see what breakfast is looking like. This is a Dominican breakfast right here. Fried cheese, fried salami, fried eggs, and mango doesn't get better than that. I can't eat this every day, but when I do, oh my God, it is heaven sent.
The mango.
Look at my cousin making a workout out of anything. He's killing off all them fried Oreos he ate. So it's raining outside, so we playing Xbox, and right now, my son got 10 kills in Fortnite.
Yeah, so there's only 2 more people left. 13-kill game.
If you want to see the full Fortnite match, click the card that's popping up now. After that triumphant victory, Will took the boys bike riding down the boardwalk. I took them to play ball after, and of course it monsooned on us, but that wouldn't dampen their spirits.
Oh man, when you don't let the rain ruin your fun, man. These kids are hilarious, man.
After we dried up, we went to go eat at a place called Schellengers.
Going to dinner with the team. About to check out this seafood restaurant. It looked like a pirate ship from the outside. And yeah, my son's flipping at his seafood. Talk about he's not gonna eat and all that. So I'm like, all right, little homie, starve. Gonna be cheap enough to feed you anyway. But whatever. I'm trying to get him to try some new things. So let's see if I could convince the official teenager to try it. To give it a try. God puts the best things in life on the other side of fear. Thank you, Will Smith. Appreciate that. Those words resonate with me.
Like in the world? Yo, delete that. Put that on your snap, bro.
Of course, none of the boys ordered seafood, but everything happens for a reason because we learned that this place makes amazing pasta.
Oh, hold up. Come check me out, cuz.
And it definitely lived up to its seafood rep. Look at this dish my cousin got.
Wow, dinner was good. Shrimp was good. Had a bunch of different shrimps. I had like coconut shrimp, fried shrimp. I had some lobster. I had some like, I don't know what it's called, but it reminds me of shrimp from the Chinese store. Look at my cousin playing with his food.
And what a way to end dinner. What an unexpected fireworks show. It was really a great night. The next morning, we took the boys jet skiing. Then we went to the water park.
So I'm chilling at the Oasis water park. It's a cool establishment down here in Wildwoods. Not that big, compared to Mountain Creek, Camelback, or Hurricane Harbor. But what those places don't have is a beach behind it. So if you're down here in Wildwoods, it's definitely something you can do with the family. So I got a leg injury, so I'm not climbing up none of these steps. I'm about to get on the lazy river, and that is my life for the day. Chilling in the lazy river. Yeah, man, so this park is not that big. You can run through all the rides pretty quick, but it'll keep your kids busy, and you can take a walk to the beach, which is what I'm about to do. Made it down to the beach. Kids are playing, my cousins are playing. It's beautiful, man. Hey guys, I had a great time down in Wildwoods with my family. I hope you get a chance to travel with your family. It's an amazing feeling. And think big, live large. Until I catch you on the next trip or the perfect pick. Peace. Hope you enjoyed running around Wildwoods with me. I had a great time with my family. If you get a chance, roll down there. It's only 3 hours from New York. And if you come to the States from somewhere else in the world, it's a cool spot. Make sure you like and leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Think big, live large. Peace.